So the hoops are finished, and it's time to go try it out on the plastic wrap, see if that'll make a good entry or not. Next will be the door, but the door is going to be easy. I'll show you the area since you haven't got a really good view of it yet. Yes, it's a bad day when you have to put up signs for trespassers. And we got our deer stand out here on the trail. And we had some high winds the other day, knocked off the tarp. I didn't have it tied down any longer. And it looks like that needs a haircut. But that's not what we're here to worry about yet. I wanted to show you the hurdle. These are pounded down into the ground, every other one. The center stick is just set in place to make the tie. So it starts out on the left, goes to the right, back to the left, left, right, all the way around. And then the other one will start at the right, go to the left, right, left, but we start at the bottom and work our way up. And this is a rather large area. That I cleared last spring, and these are all the branches that were cut out of the trees, just so you can get through the woods here. But we're going to try setting up the hoop. It has rained, and I see we got loose pieces here. That's why I need to get that door frame put together to keep everything good and tight. What I was thinking I would do, and this is one of the center logs that I was going to put up here, and then put a ridge beam in, and then run from the fence or the hurdle up to that, making a roof over this whole area. And I got looking at it, that's a lot of area to cover, so I might have to rethink that, but this would make a pretty big cover if I were to do that. I don't know, what do you think? Like I say, it is a big area. I might need help with this, but let's see how it's going to work. go by the marks you made. In there. Clamp it in place. Matter of fact, I think I'll go get a couple of my clamps just to hold that. That'll make installing that much easier. Wire ties. Let's try that. Alright, that's got it held in between the two layers. See if we can cut that open and everything will stay. I did get 2 good coats of that varnish on there. I think that'll work. Now for the door.